Hey everyone, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we'll be making this delicious, soft and fluffy lemon poppy seed pancakes. Let's get started. Guys, to begin, we are adding in the flour followed by the poppy seeds. We're also adding in our leavening agents, which is the baking soda and the baking powder. Guys, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Go ahead and whisk it together. Once you're done mixing everything together, go ahead and add in the lemon zest. Now this is what's going to also help the flavors pop. Once you're done adding in the lemon zest, go ahead and whisk it well to mix. Followed by your non-dairy milk. For this, we are using almond milk. Next, go ahead and add in the lemon juice. And to sweeten it, you can also add in either maple syrup or honey. Whisk it well to combine. In your non-stick pan, go ahead and spray it with cooking oil. Feel free to use avocado oil, olive oil, or even coconut oil. Pour in your desired measurement into the pan and allow your pancakes to cook. Now you know your pancakes are ready once it starts to bubble on the top. And that's it. Go ahead and repeat the process with the next batch. Guys, again, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and be part of our community, as well as hit the notification bell so you are notified when we post new videos. Cheers.